we've gone from a situation now where we bring in certain things from Asia that used to take 30 to 40 days to get from one shore to the other. Now it takes almost 90.
Oh, wow.
And so you're tripling the cost, you're tripling the time, you're tripling the amount of inventory you need because you have to have things on water and in your warehouses. And it's just proved the point of the strategy that we've been executing on for the last 10 years, which is basically bringing back all the manufacturing to the United States or to Europe to serve the European market. And the good news is the timing of that is happening almost perfectly with what's happening in the fourth revolution of manufacturing, or what everyone calls Industry 4.0, with all the technology and the automation. You know, you are going to have a higher labor cost here than you would in Asia. That's okay, though. You just have to figure out how to manufacture differently here. And what's interesting is when we were first embarking on this strategy, everyone was worried about, we're going to displace a bunch of workers, you know, here in the U.S. How are we going to integrate Industry 4.0 and not have people lose jobs? We need to retrain them. And that is true to some extent, but what we're finding is that there's such a need for people / workers in the United States and in Europe that there's not enough people to do the work. So as you're bringing more and more back, you actually have to highly automate things. You have to highly digitize things because you just won't have enough people to do the work if you do it the way that you do it in Asia today.